Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Thank you for clicking on the link for our Skoda Karoq LX69CVS. This is Skoda Karoq 1.5 petrol SEL DSG. Now this vehicle comes with front sensors, rear sensors and a rear reversing camera. You've got the 18-inch alloy wheels. And the LED headlights also. Just inside the vehicle's interior, as you can see, you've got your part leather, part suede seats, which is also the same for the rear. And also you have quite a considerable boot size within the vehicle also. So just inside the vehicle, you have your infotainment system with satellite navigation, heated front seats, as well as dual climate control zones, and the DSG gearbox. Also in this vehicle, you can also have Apple Carplay and Android Auto. So if you'd like any more information, please contact Marshall Skoda in Croydon. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.